Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a starter. Before beginning any automotive repair, always ensure your safety. Start by wearing protective gloves and eye protection. Next, disconnect the negative battery cable to eliminate any power to the electrical system. Finally, use a reliable jack to lift the front of your vehicle, then secure it firmly with jack stands on a flat, stable surface. This ensures a safe working environment. Now that your vehicle is safely secured, it's time to locate the starter. On many models, you'll find it on the passenger side, mounted near the transmission bell housing. Carefully disconnect the main power wire, usually a thick cable, and then the smaller solenoid wire. These are typically held by a nut. Once the wires are free, use a socket wrench to remove the 2 or 3 mounting bolts that hold the starter in place. With the old starter removed, you're ready to install the new one. Carefully maneuver the new starter into its designated spot, aligning the bolt holes. Insert the 2 or 3 mounting bolts and hand tighten them first to ensure proper alignment. Once aligned, use your wrench to fully tighten these bolts, ensuring they are snug but not over-tightened. Finally, reattach the main power wire and the smaller solenoid wire, securing them with their respective nuts. You're almost done. The next crucial step is to reconnect the negative battery cable. Ensure it's tightly secured to prevent any intermittent electrical issues. Once the battery is connected, carefully lower your vehicle from the jack stands, ensuring it's stable on all 4 wheels. Finally, get into the driver's seat and turn the ignition. Listen for that satisfying engine crank. If it starts, congratulations, you've successfully replaced your starter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.